In this video, we will demonstrate how a user can easily and securely use a smartphone to print documents from any company printer. Mobile printing has evolved. Early smartphones only had a browser and email. Therefore, printing for mobile devices involved sending the document via email to a dedicated address or uploading the document to a specific web page. Today, smartphones can print natively. Apple devices use AirPrint, while Android uses Mopria technology. YSoft SafeQ mobile printing supports native printing from both platforms in addition to the original methods. These new printing methods are called YSoft SafeQ wireless print. For demonstration purposes, we'll use Apple AirPrint to show how easy it is for a user to print from a smartphone. Let's say you have an electronic ticket to a performance stored in your smartphone. Before traveling to the theater, you want to print it. Open the document, tap on the share icon, and select Print. Select YSoft SafeQ 6 from the printer list. Since this is the first time I'm printing from this device, it is necessary to enter my user credentials. A print preview appears, and I can tap on Print to send the document to a YSoft SafeQ secure print queue. Releasing the document to print on any printer connected to YSoft SafeQ is the same as any other print job sent from a workstation. Simply authenticate at the print device and select the desired document from the secure queue. Mobile printing also allows advanced print and finishing options. For example, in this email attachment, before I send it to print, I can change the paper size, suppress color printing and duplex printing. I can also select which pages to print. I only want to print the second page. Web pages can be printed too. Want to print a recipe from the internet? It's easy. Click on the share and print icons. We will save color toner because black and white output is enough for this recipe. What if the smartphone application has no built-in printing capability, such as a website page? I can create a screenshot and then print the image. By pressing the right button and the navigation button on the iPhone simultaneously, a screenshot is saved to the iPhone's photo gallery. In this case, I'll click on it right away. Then I can select the phone's print icon and submit the print job to YSoft SafeQ. YSoft SafeQ wireless print is very similar on Android devices. The share icon looks a little different, but for the user, it works in the same way. Thank you, and have a nice day.